Ready to supercharge your Cash App game by linking your Capital One card? First, fire up the Cash App and tap on the profile icon. It's usually a picture or an image of a person located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This will open your profile settings. Scroll down until you see linked banks. Tap there to open all linked bank and card options. Here, you may see your existing accounts, but our focus is adding your Capital One card. So tap on Link Credit Card. Cash App gives you two options: the super easy scan method or manual entry. I strongly suggest the use camera option to scan your card, which should be much faster and more accurate. If you choose to enter the details manually, carefully input your Capital One card number, expiration date, CVV code, and your billing zip code. Double-check everything to avoid any issues. After you've entered all the necessary information, Cash App will take a moment to verify your card with Capital One. This usually takes a few seconds. And there you have it. Your Capital One card is now linked to Cash App. You can now easily send and receive money, make online purchases, and manage your finances all in one place. If you found this helpful, please give us a quick like and subscribe below and ask any questions in the comments. Happy cashing!